See in 100 seconds string functions. We need string.h for the string functions. This header gives us strcat, strchr, strstr. Strcat appends one string to another. Greeting starts as hello. Strcat glues on world. The destination buffer must be big enough. strncat is the safer version. It limits how many characters get appended, so you won't overflow the buffer. strcr finds the first occurrence of a character. Give it a path and a dot. It returns a pointer to that dot and everything after it. strstr searches for a substring. It returns a pointer to where Brown starts inside the sentence. Now let's chain a few strcats together. Build a welcome message piece by piece, name, then the rest. strcat gave us hello world. strncat appended just 6 characters. Strc found .txt. strstr found brown fox. And the combined message reads. Next up, string formatting with sprintf.